Hey everyone, on the road again. I thought I would try to make it in English this time, see if we can attract some non-Swedish viewers for the Swedish kayak fishing scene. Let's see how that goes. But anyways, I'll try. On the road we have a 4 or 5 hour drive, about 2 hours more to go, and this weekend we have the Swedish National Championship in kayak fishing, so that's super exciting. The weather is crazy good, mid-September, colors are changing, it's just super beautiful outside. So 2 days of fishing, perch day 1, pike day 2. I think we are 20-ish people in the competition. Some new faces that I haven't met before, but really good anglers. So yeah, I'm just hoping to catch something, and then we'll see how things goes. But really no expectations on this weekend. Just having fun, enjoying the campfire with the guys, and yeah. So I think it's going to be a good weekend because the weather looks really nice. So, and hopefully the fishing is as well. The lake looks really interesting. It's split up in 2 or 3 areas where we can only fish 2. So that's a bit interesting. Usually we can fish the whole area, and one of the areas have a couple of restricted areas. So really have to keep track on that so we don't get disqualified for some reason. But yeah, I'll come back a bit later when we check into where we're going to stay and so on. I have the caravan in the back, and kayak is on top, and yeah, 2 more hours of driving, the podcasts and listening to some music, and yeah, catch up with you when we arrive at the scene. So we're getting close to our destination. This is where we're going to spend the weekend fishing. So yeah, let's see if anybody else is here yet. I'll catch up with you when we're all set up. Beautiful landscape. So, found my spot. And this is where we're starting, and this is also the finish line. So perfect, close to the water, and it's a beautiful campsite. So and I guess I'm the first one here. I haven't seen anyone else, at least, so I'm going to continue to set things up, and then we'll see what happens. Super nice. So some of the others have arrived. This will be the main center of event. People setting up their camps. And now we're just hanging out. So, evening time. Fog is creeping in. It's going to be like a blanket here soon. And yeah, we're just hanging out here down by the water, barbecue and 2 beers and laughs. Then tomorrow, this is where we start, and the finish line. It's looking really good. Good morning. So 6:30, 2.5 hours until start. Super nice morning. People are starting to wake up and prepping. I'm going for breakfast. So 20 minutes until info meeting, and it's a beautiful day. Some kayaks are in the water, some are still prepping, and then start in 50 minutes. So, info meeting done, 15 minutes till start. 5 minutes to start. So, start. So 50 minutes, people are spread out all over the lake basically. Nothing yet. Felt something bites sort of at the beginning, but didn't want to get hooked really, so yeah. Now I'm transitioning to a new spot, hoping for some better luck. But yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful day. Okay, so about 2.5 hours done. Not much to brag about. I did a long transport to this island and was welcomed by 2 bites. One too small and the second one was barely proved. So I have that one on the board, so I need at least 4 more. So now I'm trying to find some structure or something to fish on. And of course enjoying this. Super nice. I'm making my way back. 2.5 hours left, but I have at least a little bit more than an hour just transport. But I found this little passage here between two islands, so of course we have to try that. Okay, I don't know how windy this will be, but let's try. So I'm making my way back. It's 1:45 left. Yeah, I have this long transport, and I thought I would spend the last time closer to the finish line. So now it's just a long transport, and the wind has picked up a bit, so of course it's against the wind, but yeah, we're making good time anyway. Only 2 on the paper, so I need 3 more. It's going to be hard to fill the paper today, but we'll fight until the end. Not what we're after today, but a nice pike. Let's see if we can release him. There it goes. I need perch, not pike. So 20 minutes until finish. So people are just trying the last casts here just by the finish line. Some people who have already filled the paper are actually already on shore. But we'll try for 15 more minutes. I give up. 10 minutes left. So reload for tomorrow. Pike. Now calm in the camp. Everybody's just hanging around, telling fishing stories, enjoying the day, the afternoon. Good morning. Sunday, last day, pike day, just after 6 o'clock. People are starting to wake up, and for me it's time for coffee. Tough day today, 90 centimeters behind, so I need to have a good pike day. Breakfast. So, kayak in the water for pike day. And it looks like a overcast, bit windy, so pike fishing should be okay today. Hoping. And people are starting to show up and get ready. 1 hour until start. 30 minutes until start. Everybody's prepping. 5 minutes to start. Everybody's getting ready. So, start day 2. Everybody's racing. Pike, let's go. So, 1.5 hours of fishing, nothing yet. Basically 1 hour of transition here. So I'll continue to work on this spot and yeah, work my way back. I'll go a little bit further, but then I'll start to work my way back and see how it goes. But nothing yet. First pike caught, only a 70, but it's a 70, so it's approved. It swallowed really bad, so it took me some time to cut the hook and yeah, reset a new hook on the bait and release it and measure it and all of that. Bit messy in the wind, but yeah, so at least one pike today. Now I'm almost at the spot where I got a decent pike yesterday, so I'm going to try that spot again now. Half time, so half the day passed, still only have the 70. I also caught a 49, minimum length is 50 today, so that wasn't good enough, and then I just lost one. Approved, then if it was 60 or 75, I don't know, but yeah, I need 2 more approved, so we'll continue. Second approved pike in the net, so now I need 1 more. It was only a 69, but it's approved. Okay, so that was last cast. It is 15 minutes left, and yeah, I had a bite like 15 minutes ago. So that was the last of it, I think. I still only have 2, and that 49, which I can't count. So that sucks. but I heard that some of the guys who did well yesterday did not do so good today. And I also heard that some had succeeded really well with the pike, so it's going to be interesting to see how this final table looks. But yeah, that was last cast for this year's Swedish Nationals Championship. I'll catch up with you after the prize ceremony, I think. Prize ceremony about to begin.
Sen så har vi två stycken. Lars fick 231 centimeter. Bara gäddor. 78, 77, 76. Sen har vi... Jag måste ta ettan nu. Ja. En kille som började om mig. Han fiskade okej på abborre igår och bra på gädda idag. Fyllde pappret. 91 gädda, 79 gädda, 74 gädda, 31 abborre, 29 abborre och 24. Oskar Kjell.
Wow!
Snyggt jobbat. Du får ett rappamarkit.
Jag fick en till.
Mister Roger.
Hey!
279 och Oskar fick 328. En bra ledning. Grattis.
Last ones are leaving. So, the event is over. I'll try to make a quick summary. Day 1, Gustav, Manne and Felix, I think, did really well on perch, or better than everybody else. It was tough on the perch. A lot of people didn't get anything approved. So, but then day 2, pike, the table totally turned. Totally. Oskar did a fantastic pike day. So he claimed the first place. Roger did a really good pike day, so he claimed second. And Lars, who didn't get any perch day 1, surprised everybody. No, not really. He's a monster. He caught 20 plus approved pike today, and even though he didn't have any perch on the scoreboard, he still claimed the third place with his 3 longest pike. Really, really good. So, yeah. For myself, I finished like in the middle somewhere, 8, 9, 10, something. Didn't manage to fill the paper on pike, and that stings a bit. But I had 3 up, but 1 was too small, missing 1 centimeter, and then the other ones, they didn't want to get hooked and get netted, so not much to do. But now there's a 2-week wait until the final of the Kayak Fishing of the Year tournament. So 2 more weeks, then we have a full weekend of fishing again. See you then. Bye everyone.